Hello everyone, let's now move further with another activity. Here I'm making this curved line. After that I'm joining some of the curved lines together and I'm going to convert them into this beautiful lotus flower. For this one you just have to make a big leaf also. Then these leaves are to be joined. Let's move with another activity. First you just have to make this tiny circle. After that some more lines as a parrot on your screen. These are to be converted into the beautiful national bird of the India, that's the peacock. This one is best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 5 to 6. Let's move for the another activity. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step. We are going to make a pigeon that's just flying high in the sky, best suitable for the kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You can just make it in few seconds. This one is very less time consuming activity. Let's move with another one. Here we are making some of the curved lines and we are going to convert them into this type of the L shape as a parrot on your screens. Once you are done with this, you just have to make the ear portion. Actually, we are going to show you how we can make a sheep in just few simple steps. This is so simple and easy. Thank you for watching our videos.